Hello loves. So, as you can see, my hair is darker again. Let's get into the details about this. If you have seen my recent video bleaching my hair, you will know that my hair was much lighter, and my goal was to be platinum blonde again, which is my natural color. That obviously changed. What I decided to do was dye my hair purple, because in the past when I have dyed my hair purple and then I put the lightener over it or bleach over that purple, it would tone it and I would come out blonder than if I just put the bleach on my hair. So, excuse me, I mixed up the color, and what I did was I was using Splat colors. I have mixed these colors before, the same ratios. The only difference that I had this time was I used some midnight colors. So I'm not quite sure what happened. You can see my roots are the color that my hair was supposed to be. The rest of my hair is this red color, and down here it's way different. It's way darker. Let's see if I can... My ends are way darker. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I'm guessing it was the midnight colors, which I used. Midnight Ruby, the Midnight Blue, and then the Midnight Purple, and I also used Pink Fetish. Now this side was the Midnight Ruby and a little bit of Pink Fetish and a little bit of the blue. This side was Pink Fetish and the Midnight Purple. So even these are two different colors. I guess this is very similar up here. Like I said, I mixed Splat colors before it came out right. For whatever reason, I'm assuming it's the midnight colors, because I hadn't mixed those ones before. But the normal ones, I have, and my hair came out fine, the color that I wanted. So I really don't know. I still had some red tones in my hair, and I was hoping that I could do the purple and have it be all this color right here, all over, and that when I went to lighten it next time, that my hair would be more blonde, be more towards my goal of being platinum. So I'm going to leave it as is for a little bit. It's not unhealthy. I'm frustrated right now, and I'm just going to leave it. It's not a bad color. It's not what I wanted. It's not what I was expecting, but I'm just going to leave it and let the color wash out a lot on its own, and then start the process of the vitamin C treatments and the bleach baths, and hopefully I can get to platinum again. It's just going to be a lot longer than I was hoping. So that is a hair update. for anybody who is wondering why I was bleaching my hair and now why my hair is this reddish, purpley, who knows what the heck is going on. It does do a color shift, where if I'm in one light, it's one color. If I'm in natural light outside, it's a different one. If I'm in a cool type of light, it changes there. So it's an interesting color. Not what I was going for. It's growing on me. But I said I don't exactly know what happened. I kind of like the ombre effect though. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it explains what's going on with my hair, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sorry, it's like cold outside, and I was just outside. So my nose is all running. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, Sprite Makeup, and I hope you watch the next one. Bye.